How to make before and after video transition in CapCut PC. Let's dive it. Open CapCut and click to import your video. And drag it to the timeline. Import your color-edited video. And drag it to the timeline. Find the mask effect. Rotate angle to 270 degrees. Move the split line to the left. And then set keyframes to make the video move from left to the right. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more.